And we're live. Happy Friday, everybody. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody who's watching us or will be watching us later. It's me again, Hustle Hour with Mary Ann. And for tonight, we have a very special guest, a dear sister in the business of mine. I know I've told you guys na yung mga interviews ko, it's gonna be my passion, yung interviews ko with our business partners in the community, that I would be choosing those people who inspired me as well. Para po mas ma-inspire din kayo sa kanilang mga stories. And I'm so excited dahil this person is on the other side of the world, 'di ba? Kasi nga global tayo. So, excited na ako. Papapasukin ko na siya sa stage. And here we go. We have Sis Jinky. Hello, Sis
Hi,
Jinky.
Sis Anne. Glad to be here.
Yes, exciting, exciting. And you will see that Sis Jinky is from the Philippines and I'm here in Manila.
Yes.
Yes. So good morning, good morning Saturday
Yes.
on
Yes.
your
Good.
end, and then it's
Yes.
Friday night on my end.
Friday.
So
Good evening sa iyo, sis.
yes, I was just telling them kasi nga, I know this is one way that we can do our business, right? Doing interviews. It's not the only way. It's just one of those ways.
One.
And I truly enjoyed it. So in a way, I just, sabi ko, i-interviewin ko yung yung mga tumatak sa akin in the community. And that's you, as I told you already. So yun, anyway, push na tayo, no? Kasi nga, medyo lunchtime na dyan. Siyempre, sa mga manonood, di ba? Hello, hello po. So, siyempre, for starters, Sis Jinky, papakilala muna tayo, di ba? Since
Sure.
medyo kilala na nila ako, ikaw na lang. Ayan. So, who is Sis Jinky?
So I am a mom of two young adults. That's what I always say pag nag-attend ako ng Go Live. So I will always say, I am a mom of two young adults kasi malalaki na sila. And they decide for themselves already. We will soon be empty nester na sa kaya. And yeah. So and I am a carer of a stroke warrior husband. And I am a nanay to three dogs. Of course, I am a daughter. I am a sister to an older sister and a younger brother. So tatlo lang kami. And on the side, I work as an ESL teacher. So ngayon, I started with online lang, just like our business is online, but it expanded to offline. Kaya because our Japanese friends are coming to the Philippines more often now, and so ang dami na nila dito sa Pilipinas na gustong matuto ng basic English lang naman, face to face. So some for now, siguro because it's peak season, and so I also teach man to man, like face to face. So aside from online, I do face to face teaching to our Japanese friends. And what else do I do? Well, I used to be a teaching assistant back in Dubai. That's where I started my business. So I have been a teaching assistant for 8 years in a multicultural school in Dubai. It wasn't our main income. So parang ano lang, parang additional lang. Just like our business. So kasi ang asawa ko was working as an airline technician back in Dubai until 2020.
Of course.
And I don't think I need to talk more
Elaborate.
about 2020. Everybody knows what happens to 2020. And that's what 2020 brought us back to Cebu. And uh, siguro God was hearing my prayer because I've been without me realizing it. So I was praying na sana makauwi na for good kasi gusto kong mapalapit sa parents ko because they're alone. mga cousins ko lang ang nasa paligid nila. And whenever something happen, like they're sick, so wala kang magagawa because you're millions, million miles apart.
Away.
So, you know how it feels, right? So siguro mga parents mo din nandito sa Pinas and parang napaka-helpless ang feeling. So at the back of my mind, I was praying pala na to be home and to be near to my parents. Yun na nga, binigyan ng Panginoon on 2020. And yes, that's about me, sis.
Yes. So,
Thank you.
ganun pala, no? So, if for other people, 2020 might be, dreading year. Kumbaga, I don't wanna say dreading, pero parang medyo negative ang connotation ng 2020 sa buhay nila. Pero sa'yo, parang, can I just say na parang blessing in disguise, maybe? Right? Like, it's a prayer that maybe you're not saying out loud, but in your
Yes.
heart, that's what you wanted, and then that's what's given to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yun ang mga realizations ko being in the business. So I realized a lot. So sabi nga nila, practice your mind to think of the good things. Kasi many years in the past, like I only focus on the bad things. I only focus on the trials, the challenges. Pero pwede naman palang i-shift ang mind because that's when blessings come in. So I try to rewire. So this is where I learned rewiring of the brain. Na to help you really progress is to rewire your brain to think only of the good things. And even kahit may mga challenges, kasi palagi naman talagang may mga challenge ang buhay, mga obstacles dyan. So, mind shift mo lang, bakit naging ganito and ganyan. So, so now, parang medyo na, ano naman yun, natitrain naman yung brain ko to look on the good side. Kaya, yun ang chinare ko. But of course, there were, challenges, napakarami.
Yeah, parang hindi ako masyadong makarelate kasi sorry, my parents are here with me.
Oh, that's good.
But my husband though, siya lang ang nandito. So yung in-laws ko at saka yung mga sisters niya nasa Pilipinas. And the last time we were there was 6 months lang yung 9-year-old ko.
Wow.
So 9 years ago. So it's hard. It's hard kasi syempre yung ano, alam mo na mag-iipon para makauwi, yung ganon, 'di ba? Pero syempre meron ka ring pinaglalaanan ng budget mo dito. So kung makaipon ka man, hindi aabot, ganon.
Yes.
So talagang 1 year minsan yung plano. Pero on that case, we were able to go home kasi naka-maternity ako. Diba? So, ginab namin yung opportunity. Pero I can somehow relate kasi nakikita ko sa kanya na yon palagi siyang on call, ano nangyayari, ganyan, kamusta kayo dyan, which is hard kasi nga, kung kailangan umuwi, malayo. Yan.
Yeah.
So, medyo pahapyaw na sabi mo na ng konti yung susunod nating question. Pero if you could elaborate more, right? So, parang, what inspired you to start your online business? Kasi nga, 'di ba, parang online medyo hindi naman kami techie, hindi kami pwede diyan. Pero on your end, what inspired you na, you know what, hindi kaya ko 'yan, gagawin ko 'yan?
Yeah. So at the start, it wasn't I don't call it as an inspiration, it was a prompting. Yes, it was a prompting kasi nga 2020 and then we like many of us only think that our 9 to 5 job is the way we should do. And that's the only thing we knew na pagkatapos mo mag-aral, you get a job, get an income, yun lang naman ang buhay. Yun lang ang alam natin. And so when 2020 came, like, what? what if? What if? Ang daming what if. And then yun na nga, nagkatotoo. So my husband lost his job. And so, well, at least we were given an ample time to pack up and everything. And that was when it was presented to me. So I'm grateful for my mentor. And she's a colleague of mine back in my job here in the Philippines also. So I saw her post. So yun naman palagi ang ano natin. So ang when this was presented to us, because of course this is online. And so I am grateful for my mentor. And then yun na nga, without really thinking so much, because yun lang ang nag-present sa akin at that time. And while I was packing up, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I need to have something. I need to have something else. Because I cannot depend anymore sa job at that time. Although, ang pagiging teaching assistant ko is hindi naman problema kasi nandiyan naman palagi ang school.
Mm-mm.
So, there was no laying off at school. In fact, dumami nga siya because we need more people to do online
Oh,
teaching.
yes.
So, yun. So, that's the irony there. But my husband's job is our main,
Oh, yes.
main source of income. And yun na nga. So it was presented to me. So it was really a prompting, not an inspiration. So parang, so sabi ko na nga, I did not think about it. So nag-jump talaga ako. And then I asked how much and all and anong gagawin.
Mhm.
And so I did not start right away because I need to gather the resources,
Mhm.
especially financial resources.
Mhm.
Kasi of course, this is a business.
Mhm.
You need to gather
Yes.
investments,
Oh, yes.
diba? So, and then I started the business. Pero, hindi ko siya natutukan because at that time, I was packing
Oh,
alone.
yes.
So I was packing everything alone. Kasi, yun na nga, ang husband ko was, we already had the news, the bad news na he was one of those laid off staff. So I was busy packing up and making
Adjustments.
trying to ease the
Mhm.
pain that my husband is, feeling. So hindi ako nag-isip sa sarili ko. I just need to do this and that.
Yeah.
So ang mga anak ko pa. So yeah, paano ang pag-transfer dito sa Cebu. So I did all those. But ang sa akin lang is I started this business. Yun lang ang parang at least may backup plan ako.
Oh, yes. Yes.
And so, yan. That was just a prompting, but not as an inspiration. But of course, eventually, mag-evolve naman talaga.
Mm.
So it has now become my inspiration.
Yes.
And if I could say na this has been a saving grace.
Mhm.
This has made me, parang has kept me sane all
Yes.
these years. Imagine mo, yung 1 decade namin doon sa Dubai, and then you just suddenly, yun lang, walang notice of,
Ay.
So very, very short. And we were not prepared. No, I think
Oh, yes, of course.
most of the people were not prepared about that.
Mhm.
But yun na nga, a lot of realizations. Kasi nga, so one realization is that 9 to 5 is not anymore
No?
a stable a stable source of income. And so, di ba sa atin, we were not taught na talagang mag-business ka, talagang
No. Yeah. No. Yeah.
So, it was not in our family. So, talagang trabaho lang. But then, this business presented us a lot of things. This made us realize a lot of things, that 9 to 5 is never a uh, secure source of income.
Mhm.
Business is. And I
Mhm.
think uh, kagaya nung sinabi ni Brother Ryan, kasi mga Chinese,
Yes.
ano sila. So, uh, yun, they believe that business talaga and not the 9 to 5 job because of course ang salary natin is dependent lang kung if we work then we have income, but
Yes.
if we don't, wala din. But with
Mhm.
business, especially sa digital business, pwede na ngang kahit tulog ka,
Yes.
you earn income. And so really this business has taught us a lot of things. Aside from the mindset shift, aside from the realization that 9 to 5, this one, and um, all of us are capable of doing this business.
Yes.
You just have to, to learn this.
Mhm.
So, yan sis, yun ang ma-share ko. Thank you.
Yeah. So yung sabi mo, no, it's not really from the start. It wasn't really an inspiration, but it was like prompting, right? So
Mhm.
parang ano siya, parang iniisip ko kanina na nagsasalita, sabi ko, so pwede kayang nudge, ganyan. Parang hindi eh, kasi prompting parang medyo patadyak na yun. Huy,
Yes,
gawin mo na to.
yes, talaga.
So, siyempre, at that time, when you were transitioning, no, you were trying to pack all of, like, a decade of your life in Dubai, right? Siyempre, at least parang, alam mo na, check mo na, oh, may business na ako, at least naging productive ako. Yung
Yes.
gano'n, yung iniisip ko eh. Pero siyempre, di ba, marami sa simula, siyempre, hindi siya madali sa simula.
No.
I can attest to that. Hindi siya madali sa simula kasi
Yes.
talagang hustle muna, ganyan. Sacrifice muna kasi at the end doon mo makikita yung ano eh, yung mga wins mo, yung
Yeah.
pepetics na lang ako, ganyan, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Mga ganun. So syempre, in the start, were there challenges or what challenges did you face starting out? And then how did you overcome them?
Wow. There were many. Baka akala nila ha. Baka akala nila petiks lang tayo dito. And then we're earning kasi nga digital. But my goodness, this digital business is so new to many.
Yes.
So when we started, for myself, when I started this business, huh? Ano to? May training site? Anong gagawin ko dito? Di ba? Like, ay, babasahin. Tapos anong gagawin? Magki-click ako dito. Ay, nakakatakot. Ay, gagawin ko to. Di ba? So, but along the way, we were told na, hello, pag hindi ka techie, hindi naman yun puputok yung laptop mo kung you click something wrong. Hindi ka naman mamamatay. Kung magkakamali ka dyan, you just have to do it again, di ba? And mind you have a lot of help.
Yes.
Like, this is global. So, any time of the day na kailangan mo ng help, click ka lang doon kung sinong nagising.
Yes.
And, well, sa business kasi natin, we're taught or we're trained na problem solver tayo.
Yes.
Hindi tayo yung, ay, ayoko na. Kasi hindi ko alam yan. Ay, nakakatakot. So, those were in the past now. So like, ito nga, doing go live, hindi naman natin alam to noon. Diba? Paano natin alam? Because this is in the training. So the challenges, not being techie, kasi nakakatakot talaga. But, alam mo yun yung, anong mangyayari sa akin kung palagi nila akong takot?
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
At hindi naman talaga yan mababasag ang laptop ko. Di ba? At hindi naman ako mamamatay kung magkakamali ako, di ba?
True. Yeah.
So, yun ang challenge sa technical side. And yung mahiya ka to ask help.
Yes.
So, sa akin ngayon, ay nako, kahit simpleng napaka-petty na question, I can ask because nothing is petty here. Everything is new and we understand that nakaka-overwhelm. Minsan, ay, ayoko kasi baka sa kanila simpleng question lang to tapos ako ngayon. No, we don't We don't do that here.
Don't
Anything
judge.
is everything is valid. But sa side ko naman is family kasi as I've mentioned, we have just transferred. Grabe ang challenge doon sis kasi so I just started my business. I just asked my husband to do the preparation sa yung website ko.
Oh, okay.
So he was the one who would think about of my website name.
Mm.
So he
Oh,
was the one who prepared my pixel, yung mga ganyan. Kasi at that time when I started this, I was doing distance learning. Kasi
mm,
may pasok pa that time eh.
mm-mm.
So we were so busy with distance learning at school. So hindi ko natutukan to. So basically, sa foundation ng business ko, it was my husband. Kasi nandun lang naman sa training. While I pack up, while I was finishing my distance learning. So, nung pag-uwi na, the challenge is still there kasi you have to settle down kahit home country ko to, home
Mhm,
country namin to. You
mhm.
still have to settle down because at that time, may social distancing pa, may
Yes,
mga pa-shield pa,
yeah,
may
may
mga pa-gloves
nakalimutan ko nga,
gloves.
oo nga, may social distancing pala noon ano, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, the word of the year at that time was social distancing, right? So nakalimutan na natin yun ngayon,
Oo
di
nga
ba?
eh.
But so yes, so sabi ko nga ang prayer ko is to be near my parents. So yun na nga naglalambing naman ng papa at saka mama. So minsan, paminsan-minsan magkakasakit sila so I have to go. But good thing na lang because our business is portable.
Yes.
So you can bring your business anywhere. So imagine yun na lang. So I started my business in Dubai and I'm able to bring it to the
Yes,
Philippines with no sweat at all.
I know, yes.
So i-compare mo kung traditional business dito sa Philippines.
Yeah,
Ay nako, wag na.
yeah,
Ayokong pag-usapan because there's a lot of things to do when you do traditional business. Kaya swak na swak sa akin ng digital because I can just bring it anywhere.
yeah.
So kahit nandun ako sa parents ko and here, so business is running. So you can still work on your business anywhere, anytime. So however is your situation. And the good thing is I can pause, I can take it slow. So yun lang.
At your
Which
own
is
pace.
yeah, at my own pace. Ako pa
Yes, your
naman
own.
napaka I'm not such a fast learner.
Me too, sis.
Hindi ako fast learner eh.
No,
So I learn at my own pace.
I
So
know.
that's a
Parang
good thing.
parang yung sinabi mo kanina eh, na kunwari kung tulog yung mga kasama mo sa country mo, tapos mag-question ka lang sa, sino kaya ang gising sa mga ito? Parang ganun. You know what? You just
Correct.
gave me an idea. So I just plugged in our portal. Yes, meron po kaming portal sa aming business. So I just plugged in our
Yeah.
portal. And just for today, we have 70 new business partners. And that's just for today.
Wow.
That's just for today. And for the past 7 days, for a week lang naman, guys, 1 week lang, 349 new business partners.
Wow.
Diba?
Congratulations to these people.
Right?
Yeah.
So, yun na, it says a lot. It's global, like what Sis Jinky have said, right? Kung ang business, ang coach mo or mentor mo is tulog, di ba? Mag-reach out ka dun sa mga iba. You know what? That's actually one thing that my mentor and coach have said to me when I started. It's like, you're not alone in this business. And I keep on
Mhm.
saying this in all of my interviews or go lives. I'm like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I've heard that already. You know, it's because I'm like, okay, it's a cliche. I mean, okay, yeah, I'm not alone, whatever. It's fine. Yeah. But when you're actually there in the community, it is really true. You're not
Mhm.
alone. You have so many teams. Ang dami-dami na nating team. Right? Or mag-reach out ka sa hindi mo kilala from another side of like a different country, you know, or a different ethnicity, right?
Mhm.
They are always there to help, which is mind-boggling actually. Because at first I thought I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. right? But no, it is true. When I'm like right here doing the business already, I can feel it. And like if you're winning, they're happy for you. They will like cheer for you, right? And if you're like in your down moment, they'll be like, "No, Jinky, sis Jinky, come on, let's go, let's do this." They'll hype you up, and it's really true. I mean, I can just say it for my because this is my experience, right? But like what I'm saying, diba? We were talking about challenges a while ago. But of course, syempre meron naman mga rewards, right? So with that being said, what has been your most rewarding or baka meron pang more than one, right? Moment in the online space?
Wow, rewarding and kaya nga ang sa akin siguro sis is the the mindset shift. Super. Like, if I can share, like, I had cancer before. Kaya nga, ayokong pag-usapan ng traditional business kasi hindi maganda ang naging resulta sa akin. So, I had cancer. So, I can blame the traditional business because I was alone. I was alone at that time. So, kaya I'm so grateful for this business. Bakit? Because it has really, alam mo yun, yung personal growth mo. Hindi mo man hindi mo man maipakita lahat sa mga tao or sa pamilya mo, but you know you have it. And like how you do business, how you deal with people, how you deal with challenges every day. Because as a mom, as a carer of a stroke warrior husband, as a daughter and as a sister, ang dami mong roles sa buhay, di ba? So, what, kaya nga, sabi ko, I will always say this business has kept me sane kasi nga it helped me rewire. It helped me see the good things in kahit gaano ka challenging pa ang, ang buhay-buhay. So I think that's my biggest reward. Second is, akala ko, nung nag-stop ako maging teaching assistant because, as I've said, it was a multicultural school.
Mm-hmm.
And so I met a lot of different nationalities.
Mm-hmm.
So sabi ko, magiging maliit na naman ang mundo ko.
No?
Especially that I don't think na magtatrabaho uli ako sa Philippines. And so I thought, magiging maliit na naman ang mundo ko. But then, it wasn't. I have friends in Canada. I have friends all around the world. Like I have friends in Ireland. I have mentors and coaches. Oh my goodness. Uh, in every continent kaya. Lahat ng continent nandun naman tayo. So, wow. So, parang sinabi lang ng Panginoon sa akin na, you have tried multicultural school.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'll put you in a massive
A
global
bigger.
community. So yun, parang, so this is just such a big reward. The community talaga. And of course, yung business talaga is not just a finance savior, kundi personality mo. Yeah, I think the totality of it is yung I have yung masasabi mong personal growth is
Yes.
really there. So yun.
Yes.
And thank you for having me.
No, kasi yung sa, sabi mo keeping me insane, alam mo sobrang swak na swak yan sa'yo eh. I mean, swak din siya sa akin because there are times of course, life happens, right? No.
Yeah.
Life happens, may mga showbiz kasi, ganyan. May mga kaganapan sa buhay-buhay na parang mapapaisip tayo, masasaktan tayo. But you know what? Whenever I attend our Sunday thing in the business community, or like whenever I like talk to you guys or like see your post, or like just saying hi to you or watching you doing go live or whatever, like all of you guys, and like, it keeps me, yeah, the mindset, it's rewired. Parang bigla lang, ting, 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 uy, bakit ka maglulugmok dyan? Ganon. Iba yung feeling. Kasi, I have said this before, sometimes the mindset doesn't come from internal. Sometimes merong external push.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
True.
you guys. It's the community, it's the business community. Yun yung parang push na ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba ang saya-saya ng usapan natin. Pero syempre, may mga iba pa rin tayong mga manonood, mga silent watcher na skeptic pa rin, which is natural. I mean, being skeptics
Yeah.
is natural. But for you, what would be your advice for them? If they think that, you know what, let me try this. Anong maa-advise mo?
Mm-hmm. So when I started the business, I wasn't skeptical because I was looking for a plan
Oh, yes.
B, right? But let me tell you that there are okay lang yun maging skeptical, but don't stay there for long.
Mhm.
At least may gagawin ka rin na if you're skeptical, then try to examine, try to investigate. Anong mga questions mo?
Mhm.
Anong mga wonderings mo? Anong mga bashing mo dyan sa digital business? Try to get the answers to that.
Mhm.
Because maybe then this could be the one that you're looking for. Malay mo, like this is the answer to your prayers, just like naging
Yeah.
answer ng prayer ko without me realizing I was praying pala.
Yes.
So, di ba? And I was thinking of something before I started talking, but it just disappeared. Ito pala. When I started this business, I was really, focused on the money, money, money. Because,
Mm.
of course, this is a business.
Mhm.
But nag-evolve kasi siya. And it has become now a mission. Parang, no, if you help just one family at a time,
Yes. Mhm.
and then, kasi we know how it feels to, like, we are mothers, kagaya ng mga manonood kaya nito. So those mothers like us whose husband's job has been lost or laid off or nagkasakit yung isa sa family member. This is one thing that you can do because as I've said, this is portable. This is you can work at your own pace. So kahit anong sitwasyon mo sa buhay, but if you're planning to have a business, and I think this is the best solution for you because you can do this anytime, anywhere. Kung anong free time mo lang. That's what I do. So after I take care of everything in the house, and when everyone's quiet, so I
Mm.
can still do my business. So ang sa akin lang siguro is to check it out.
Yes.
Don't stay being skeptic for so long because you might just be missing something here. So, yeah, whatever question you might have, don't think about it as petty and as very not important because it is important to us. So, we would love to share what we have found in this business. So, yes, thank you, Miss Anne. And yes, that is from
Thank you,
me.
Sis Jinky. Thank you. Yeah, katulad nga sinabi ni Sis Jinky, right? Yung fears, normal yun eh. Pero yung fears na yun, gawin nating reasons. Gawin
Mhm.
nating reasons for you to just check it out, see the potential we've been telling you all. And then, if you know what, after checking it out and you think, you know what, no, Sis Mary Ann, Sis Jinky, this is not for me, it's fine. At least at the back of your head, you have it in your head na, oh, in the future, maybe, you know what, it might not be the right time right now, but I have already checked it out, and maybe in the future, at least you have it. You have the knowledge already na there is something out there that might help you in the future, right? Thank you, Sis Jinky. I'm so
Thank
happy.
you.
Sobrang
Thank you.
punong-puno. Punong-puno ng mga inspiration and napakasayang chit-chat talaga. Sobrang thank you sa pag-yes, first and foremost, sa aking mini podcast, right? Hustle hour nga eh, di ba? So yun. And pala, before I forget, Happy Mother's Day. Ah,
Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day to everybody,
everybody, yes, I
to
just
all
realized it now.
mothers.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to all of us. Even though some would be like mom of a mom at heart, or like, for moms, right? Everybody, happy Mother's Day to all. And again, Sis
Mm.
Jinky, if you wanna invite them, like in your website, or like, or you can invite them, or speak in Cebuano if you want.
Bitaw kanang yeah, makasibuano. So, katong mga nagtan-aw karon and nagplano nga mag-start og business, ay nga i-check ni ninyo because this is very doable. Dili mo kinahanglan mahadlok because we are here to assist and to answer kung unsa man na inyong mga pangutana diha. Bisag unsa pa na ka gamay or you think nga dili siya nindot ka pangutana, still we would love to answer those questions. All right, thank you. And
Thank you. Thank
for
you.
those who are going to watch this on a replay, thank you so much. You know, this might just be the business for you. Thank you, Sis Anne.
Thank you, Sis Jinky, and happy Saturday sa'yo dyan. And for
Yeah.
those here on my end, happy Friday night to one and all. And if you'll be checking this out, comment below on any new information or questions you have for me that I can answer in my future interviews or go lives. And again, this is me, Hustle Hour with Mary Ann for tonight, featuring Sis Jinky. And have a good night, everybody.
Have a
Bye.
good lunch, everyone.